worked with other news organizations and WikiLeaks and with the state.
So we're really looking at a common
Look at that.
story together.
We're having a
Galaxies
test tornado
themselves and the black
warning.
holes at their centers.
Let me go right now. This is for every single county, for every single TV station, right now. Alexa, pause. Alexa, pause. Fuck it. There you have it, guys. There you have it. Now, I don't know why I got one in this phone if it has no SIM card whatsoever. That is the problem with this. I don't know why I got it, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll bring you another video at around 6 today. So, yeah. You guys enjoy your rest of your day today. Here goes the one for the Amazon Alexa. Right here. Let's hope this real quick. I think this one's texting for the Alexa.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a test tornado warning for all of Wisconsin until 2 p.m. At 1:45 p.m., no severe weather was occurring or expected. This is only a drill. This drill is part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. Treat this as if it were a real emergency and practice your emergency plans. Repeating, this is a test message. Locations affected include all of Wisconsin.
Previously with WikiLeaks.